Hello, my name is Chris Link and welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. I want to just introduce myself to you real quick. This is my very first introductory video for my new YouTube channel for women 50 and older. Yes, I did turn 50 last month, and when I did, and a few months before I turned 50, I started looking through YouTube for some videos about how to conceal crepiness under the eye and things like that. And y'all, I guess I got hooked. I started looking, I looked over and over. Hours clicked off and I just continued on and on. My husband said, "What are you doing?" I was like, "I'm watching YouTube videos." The women who have pioneered this 50 and older channel, it's so important. And I know that our generation is not quite there like the younger generation on YouTube videos, but it's coming. And they're going to need to know our tips as they age as well. And so I decided I would jump on board with a YouTube channel. Now, if you look at my YouTube channel, you see that this has been around since 2011. I did start this channel back then to post some of my hobby videos on. And yes, my hobby is singing and I enjoy it. I do sing around our local town here with a couple of bands. I am so blessed to get to do something that I love so much. So I just decided to go ahead and keep this channel going rather than starting a new one. And so if you look down and you see, oh wait, okay, there's some other content down there. It's going to be a little bit old, but I think I'm going to leave it here. But what my plan is 1 to 2 videos a week for you on content about 50 and older beauty, lifestyle, hobbies, aging parents, empty nest, not empty nest, children. I have 2 teenage daughters, just to let you know that. And I have a husband. I've been married for 21 years. Just everything that we're going through right now and up. So that's kind of what my plan is for our channel here. I hope that you will subscribe and click the bell. Now, I really want to give full disclosure. I have no idea what I am doing. I bought all of this stuff, the light and everything, gosh, over a month ago, and it has taken me that long to get the courage to sit down and do this video. It has. I could sing to you all day long and not shake, but my knees are shaking like crazy because I don't talk well. I'm from the South. You can hear my Southern drawl a little bit. Well, please, I can use any help and tips that you could give me. So please comment below if you know of anybody that might be interested in watching a channel about 50 and older folks. I would love to have them subscribe, and we're gonna have fun. We're gonna build this. We're gonna do content. We're gonna go on trips. I don't know. We're gonna go on trips. We're just gonna have a lot of fun, and I'm gonna enjoy it. And I'm going to hopefully build some great friendships along the way with you guys. So y'all, thanks so much. Tune back in, subscribe, click the bell. I'll let you know kind of. Maybe I can get it on a routine where it's every week. I think I've read some tips or listened to some tips, so that's what you're supposed to do, so that you know when I'm going to be uploading a new video. So thank you again. Thank you for watching this far, and please subscribe. Give me a comment. Give me a thumbs up so that I know that this is not, for naught. And that we're going to have fun here together. All right. Thanks so much. And I'll see you back here soon.